What's up, YouTube? How you doing? You good? Me, I am chilling. I am back with yet another video. Hey everybody, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Okay, as you can see from the title, this is a wash and go video. You see how I got this here wash and go. I really enjoyed this. I don't like the shrinkage, but I'm about to go and stretch this bad boy out right now, and you guys stay tuned for that video. But we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this video. And before we do that, if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, just wanted to let you know that I see you, boo. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. We got our water bottle. We have this coconut whipped cream leave-in conditioner. I picked this up yesterday. It says it's safe for color treated hair, so I picked this up yesterday from Marshall's. This will be my first time using this bad boy. Let's hope it works, right? And then we're gonna use a little bit of this daily hair dressing, just a little butter, just a little sealant, and then this is going to be our gel for the day. So we're gonna try out this Main Choice Crystal Orchid styling gel for this wash and go. So I just washed my hair. If you didn't check out that video, go ahead and check that video out. I'll leave it in the icon up here and in the link down below. So let's go ahead and get started while this hair is wet. Y'all know this is my little bootleg spray bottle because I can't find my other spray bottle right now. I think I might have to just go get me a new one. I want to get me one of them Mr. ones. Probably go check out Sally's and see what they talking about. But let's go ahead and get this started while my hair is still a little wet. Going back in here again for this wash and go. Okay, we gonna get this wash and go down. We gonna get it down. Okay, what is she? I don't even remember what she used. The hairstylist. I really don't remember what product she used. So let's clip these bad boys out the way. We are going to start in the Bizak. Okay, so my hair is wet. My hair feels absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. But we're gonna take a little section here, little by little, curl that up, pin that bad boy away. Okay, the back section is still pretty wet, so I'm gonna add some water just to be safe. Yeah, there we go. All right, so this is a small section. This is this leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna do about a pump and a half. Really, all up on my lip. All right, and put that on there. Yeah, let's hope that this works out. Okay, my hairs are ready to tangle. I'm doing little sections, so hopefully it should be nice. I mean, it feels nice. The leave-in feels really good. Let's go ahead and keep smoothing it on. All right, we're gonna take a little bit, like a little bit of this butter. Just a smidget of this butter. Melt it on there. Add that up there. Just give it some added moisture, added lock-in stuff, right? And then I'm gonna take this gel. Y'all, this gel, I promise you, it's like slime. It reminds me of like slime. I promise you it does. Okay, we're gonna take that much because the section, you see how stringy it is? Alright. Y'all be nervous doing this, man. Alright, we're gonna smooth this out. I feel like if I shingle it, it gets way too shrunken. Okay. I think I'm a raker. What you doing? I'll leave you be. All right. We're gonna keep doing it. actually turned out to be real cute. Okay, let me go ahead and bring y'all in a little bit. Let me clean my hands off. Alright, it turned out to be real cute. I'm gonna go ahead and do this other section on this side, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the front section, of course. So I'll be back. Alright, drop the last piece. This over here don't want to stay in place. I'm hoping that this dry clear perfectly, right? So I can't see back there. Yeah. I'm gonna shake it outside in a bit. That's the last piece. Let's get this last piece. Alright, it's time to go outside and shake, shake, shake. This is what we are looking like so far. I actually like it. I'm actually really digging it. It looks pretty. So I'm gonna go shake it, and I pray that this stuff, all this white stuff dry. I can't really see what the back is looking like. In the back feel almost halfway dry. Do I have to diffuse and then shake, or shake and then diffuse? I don't know. I didn't know which one you're supposed to do first. Oh, I can't remember. I think she diffused and then we shook it. I can't remember. So let's diffuse, because once I shake, I'm not going back up here. So I'm going to go ahead and diffuse it a little bit. And then I guess I can shake it later. I don't know. Let's go ahead and diffuse. flip my head over and diffuse some more, but you guys won't be able to see it. So I'm gonna finish diffusing, and then I'm gonna go outside and shake. I had to put a pin right here. It's not staying. I need this to stay up here. I'm gonna slick this back, but it ain't dry yet, so I'm gonna leave it alone. My roots aren't dry, so I'm gonna leave it alone. But I'll come back to you guys when my hair is fully dry. All right, y'all. So this is the end of the night. My hair is dry. This is dry. This is why I don't wear wash and goes, because I feel as though they always shrink up like this non-stop. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm about to stretch this, but I'm gonna put this in a different video because I'm not about to sit up on camera and do this all night long. So stay tuned for how I stretch my wash and go, and you guys will be able to see what my stretch wash and go looks like, because this shrunken mess right here is not what it is. Okay, when like, I feel like I get like 75-80% shrinkage, y'all. Like 75-80% shrinkage, just saying. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If it's not too much, please feel free to like, comment, and or subscribe. Let's try that again. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If it's not too much, please feel free to like, comment, and or subscribe. Until next time, bye.